Welcome to Live Heaven on Earth, the weekly show that is your passage to abundant prosperity in all things. Join Aloria Ra and Pamela Dussault in guiding you towards bringing heaven into all your earthly experiences. Visit their website for more information. And now, your hosts, Aloria and Pamela.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our show, Live Heaven on Earth. Tonight we're going to be discussing a favorite topic of mine, forgiveness. Forgiveness is a very necessary choice if you wish to live in heaven on earth. And if you don't remember anything after the show tonight, there is one thing I'm going to point out for you to help you remember, keep in your mind. Remember this: all is in divine perfect order, all things have purpose, and in this knowingness alone, you can forgive. I want to remind you that the show is dedicated to your empowerment, and we're here to help you. So please don't hesitate to call in during the first hour with any questions or comments you have related to forgiveness. And the last half hour of the show is dedicated to the free readings section of it. Tonight we have a very special guest, Reverend Steve Wilson. Welcome, Steve.
Thank you for having me.
Steve is a certified shaman in the Mayan and Tibetan traditions. He's a channel, a medium, a Reiki Usui, and Shambhala master, a Qigong practitioner, and licensed spiritualist minister.
Welcome, Steve, and hi, everyone. This is Pamela.
Hi, Pamela.
Hi, Pam.
Hi.